Okay, I finally have everything in the pots. Getting this, I will say I'm about 98% done for the 2025 garden. Uh, let me give y'all an update. So here go the greens. You see some stuff sprouting up. That's the compost, my old compost bin, and that's just the bucket I use to sort out all the soil. Here is the zinnias. Look, stuff coming up. Okay, the strawberries. I don't know what's going on. The basil, I dropped it when I picked it up, but the little basil kit I bought, things are sprouting up. I was gonna plant some peppers in here, but the holes is too big at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to sleep on that. I need to plant them. And here's the beets. Yeah, here's the. I don't know about strawberries this year, so I'm still on the hunt. I think I still got a couple more weeks, so that's why this one's still empty. This tower, but I have all the herbs in this tower. Everything is planted, and I don't know if I told you guys, but from the last video, I had to prop these babies up. And for these two pots, if you were interested in knowing what's in this pot, head on over to the link, click the link in the description to my other YouTube channel, and yeah, and I'll tell you all about these two right here. But there go the lettuce, and let me give you a better view. Here we go. All the herbs is in there. I added what was that? Cilantro and sage. If I get the strawberries, I'm gonna plant the mint and some more basil and strawberries in that towel over there. See, I've got things, the tomatoes and marigold and basil and the carrots and onions. Oh, everything is coming up. And this is the zucchini. You ain't gonna see nothing in here because I just put this in a couple days ago. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. It was what, a week since last week? And they are calling for rain for the next like 5 days. So that's beautiful. Which is also, speaking of rain, I decided to create a rain barrel. Collect some rainwater. There you go. I ain't put a sprout on it because I couldn't find a good one. And with the lid, cut out the top of the lid. Let me show y'all. Cut up the top of the lid. I had made a short of this video. And yeah, I had tested it out. So when it rains, I'll collect some water so I can be able to water my fruits and vegetables out here. Okay, so making progress. Backyard farming here. All right. And added some new stuff to the new compost. All right, y'all. So that's the update. I won't be out here for a week because, like I said, they're calling for rain. It doesn't look like it's going to be like a heavy downpour, but it's going to rain. It's going to help out the plants. So there you go. Making progress in this backyard. Alrighty. You know what to do. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, please leave me a message. Leave me a comment. Drop a comment. And I will keep y'all up to date on this journey. Thank you.